Greetings, superheroes. Today on Just Ask Lily the Lawyer, we are going to learn a little bit about custody and parenting time. So to start with, let's go ahead and Google our old friend, Minnesota Self-Help. And that should bring you to the Minnesota Judicial Branch's Help Topics. You can click on this Help Topics bar at the top as well if you want to get this alphabetical listing of the Help Topics. You're going to go down to the Child Custody and Parenting. Now, again, there are so many resources available to you on this page. I'm going to actually take you through the facts section just a little bit, but please pay attention to these other sections. Also, of a particular note, it's important to understand what your definitions are, because sometimes in the law, a word you think will mean one thing, but it actually has a very specific definition that's found in statute, and it isn't always exactly what you would think it would mean. So looking at the facts section, the other parents and I were never married, but we signed a recognition of parentage, and we are both on the child's birth certificate who has custody. How is custody decided? You can get more information on emergency custody. Under what circumstances can custody be changed? If you want to move out of state, can you get custody of a child who isn't yours? And there's forms in here for guardianship and for adoption, and for CHIPS cases, child in need of protection or services. There's a form for delegation of parental authority in here. Can I give someone temporary custody of my child? There's the form for delegation of parental authority. What can you do if another parent isn't following a court-ordered parenting time schedule? What if they're not paying child support? You can see some of the information on how old the child has to be before they get to provide input on where they want to live. And what if you and the other parent agree about custody and parenting time? If there's domestic disputes, what is supervised parenting time? Where do you file for custody? What about parent education? There's information on the parent education classes on here, which is great. A lot of times the courts are ordering co-parenting or other parenting education classes, and you can find that here. And then what forms do I use to ask for custody if I was never married to the other parent? And then how much does it cost to file? So I'm going to click on this, the question, what forms do I use to ask for custody if I was never married? This is where you're going to go if you don't actually have a court order and you were never married to the child's parent. If you want to get a court to create an order on custody and parenting time. If you had clicked on the forms section, it would take you to this. This is where you can go to get the form, the instruction and the forms that are available for requesting that the court establish a custody and parenting time plan. And if you have any questions on filling out those forms, again, you always advise that you have an attorney help you. My vision is to empower clients wherever they find themselves on their legal journey. So you can call if you just want help to fill out the forms, or if you actually would like to have an attorney guide you through the process the entire step of the way. I do both things. So go ahead and give us a call if you have any issues. And again, thank you so much for continuing to earn your place on your pillow each night. And I look forward to making another video soon, and I hope that these videos are helping you.